We'll guide you through how to use the Wix AI marketing agent to boost your business visibility. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on the Marketing and SEO tab. Here, you'll see the option for the AI marketing agent. Click on it to get started. The AI marketing agent is designed to help you create a customized marketing plan based on your business goals and needs. You'll be prompted to answer a few questions about your business, such as the industry you're in and your target audience. Take your time here, as this information helps the AI tailor its suggestions. After you've filled out the necessary details, the AI will generate a marketing strategy for you. This might include recommendations for social media posts, email campaigns, SEO tips, and more. You can review these suggestions and choose which ones you'd like to implement. If there's a suggestion you want to explore further, click on it for more details and step-by-step guidance on how to execute it. You can also customize the plan by adding your own ideas or removing ones that don't align with your current strategy. Remember, the AI marketing agent is a tool to assist you, but your personal insights into your business are invaluable, so feel free to tweak the strategy as you see fit. Once you're happy with the plan, you can start implementing the recommended actions directly from your Wix dashboard. This integration makes it easy to keep track of your marketing efforts and monitor their success. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.